Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will compute the square and cube root using Python programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your watching in my videos. And then shout out to Marshmallow, Sir Ernel, uh, for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Marshmallow is one of our new subscriber in my channel. I hope that you are enjoying watching my videos. So if you are new with my tutorial video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using pycharm community edition in writing this program. It is free to download and use from the website of JetBrains. So we have here a series of comments, square.py. Yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada. And then I have two websites which offer free source code to download, www.jakerpomperada.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, information technology consultancy. You can send me an email at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. And then my location here in the Philippines is Barangay Mandalagan, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So line number 6, new line. The title of our program, Square and Cube Root Solver in Python, new line. Val 1, enter a name. Variable A, we are typecasting, converted into integer. When we say integer, if we are new with computer programming, it refers to a data type that can only accept positive and negative numbers including 0. And then I wrote two functions, the square and then the cube underscore root. So it will return a multiplied by itself twice, and then for the cube underscore root, we multiply by the a by thrice or 3 times. And then we have here square underscore result square, and then cube underscore result cube underscore cube root a. So we have here the display of the result for the square, and then cube root print. And then if it is done, print end of program, new line. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, let us click the play button in pycharm. So square and cube root solver in Python, enter a number. Let's say we have 10. So the square value of 10 is 100, the cube root value of 10 is 1000. End of program. Another example, we have 4. The square value of 4 is 16. The cube root value of 4 is 64. End of program. For the last time, we have 6. Enter. The square value of 6 is 36. The cube root value of 6 is 216. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write square and cube root solver in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sa mga kapwa ko pong Pilipino, maraming salamat po guys sa inyong panonood. Sana po tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo sa pagsuporta sa channel ko. At wag po kayong magsawa guys, no? I do my best guys na ma-provide po kayo ng mga updated na mga tutorial videos at iba pang video sa channel ko. Maraming salamat po. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.